Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a pattern in Google Sheets. Example pattern. Example 1, 2, 3 result number pattern and ABC alphabet pattern. Weekday pattern. Yes, no, yes, custom pattern. Example, click any cells 1, sorry, 1, 2. Then drag your mouse, see this result and type cells A. Use for alphabet pattern, copy to this formula, note this, then press enter and drag on your mouse. See this result and type that's it. Again sense yes, no, yes, no. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.